Government of Tripura, Office of the Director General of Police Tripura, Agartala. Recruitment notice date 2010-2022 for recruitment of police constable men and women in Tripura Police on the basis of the marks obtained by a candidate in the written examination, adding the marks obtained in the personal interaction test. The under-mentioned candidates, men and women, have been found suitable and are recommended according to merit for appointment to the post of constable men and women in Tripura Police Group C. Recommended list in order of merit of 647 candidates men against 668 vacancy. ত্রিপুরা পুলিশে 647 জনকে চাকরি দেওয়া হয়েছে 668 ভ্যাকেন্সি থেকে।